Assalamu alaikum everyone, Ramadan Kareem. My name is Shahid and today I'm going to show you how to make a Eid ring. So firstly, you'll need two pieces of cardboard. One of them will act as the base and the other as the first layer. Then you'll need a large plate, and the plate just smaller by a few centimeters. For the decorative part, I've used artificial flowers. You could use real ones too. You'll then need a thin piece of wood, scissors, a glue pen or super glue, a pencil, double-sided tape, Sharpies, and wood glue. You'll firstly begin by tracing the large plate on the stronger piece of cardboard. This will be your base. Then you will repeat this step using the smaller plate. You'll then start to cut around the circle. If this is difficult, you may need to ask an adult to assist you. Once you've completed this, you'll need to cut out the inner circle. Poke the middle of the circle with scissors to help you with this process. Then, you'll need to repeat this process with the other piece of cardboard. This will be your first layer. You can use the circle you've already made to trace the inner circle of your first layer. Once you've cut out the base and the first layer, using the glue pen or super glue, apply your first layer to the base. To ensure maximum strength, place double-sided tape on the dry piece of cardboard. Then, stick the first layer and the base together, holding it down for 1 to 2 minutes. Now, for the fun part, take your flowers and start wrapping them around the circle using the stem. I've used artificial leaves to add a bit more flair, but you could use any type of extra pieces you'd like. Then, you're going to take your piece of wood and using your pencil, write your Eid greeting. If you can't find a piece of scrap wood, you can also use a piece of cardboard. Then, take your Sharpie and go over your writing. Finally, using your wood glue, apply glue to the opposite sides of the circle and stick to the wood. If you have some fairy lights lying around, you could also wrap that around your circle. You're then ready to hang your wonderful Eid circle. Thanks for watching. Comment down below what you'd like to see next.